Okay, so it's been a long time now since I uploaded any video, but I've been getting a lot of comments asking how to stretch the skin properly, and yeah, I'll be demonstrating it using a cloth over here. So, say for example, this is skin, and you're tattooing something over here, and I'll just place something. Okay, so this imagine this is the tattoo design. Okay, and it's on the skin. You have applied the stencil and this is the skin, so you need to stretch the skin properly so that the needle enters the skin and get clean crisp lines. Especially when you're color packing, you need to stretch the skin, and also while lining. So when you're shading, you need to stretch the skin in a different way, but when you want to line and color pack, you need to stretch the skin so much that the needle doesn't bounce and just breaks the skin and goes inside, but not so much that it destroys the skin. So there's a right way to do it, and you can feel the stretch is proper or not when you feel the vibration on the hand when you're tattooing. And that is something which I cannot explain through a video. It has to be done one-on-one. And I'm also planning on doing some one-on-one sessions, workshops. So if somebody is interested, let me know in the comments. And anyways, coming back to the stretching part, this is the design, this is the machine that I'm holding. What I do is, everybody says stretch the skin in all four directions, which is correct. You need to stretch the skin in all four directions, but what I do is, I don't stretch the skin with my other hand. First I keep my hand, the hand that I'm holding the machine, next to the design. So if this is the design and I'm doing a line over here, I keep my hand over here, I stretch the skin this way, and then I keep my other hand over here and I stretch it. Next, using the thumb, I stretch. Okay. Using the thumb, I stretch it in this direction, and it has to go from here all the way. You need to stretch it properly, and using these fingers, stretch it wide like that. So it should happen in one swift motion like that, and this is the design. And then you can just go away like this, or whichever direction. And when you're pulling, you need to stretch it again and then do a line like that. So every time you need to keep on stretching. So you wipe it, you do the line, you wipe it, and then stretch again. I'll take this aside. So you keep first the wrist, and then the thumb and the other fingers. Stretch. You can do it either way, but I find this as more effective. So first the machine hand and then the other hand. I find it this gives a better stretch than doing it this way and then using the machine hand. It's the same, pretty much the same, but for me this works best. It's all about trying, experimenting different things and seeing what works best. So try it out, use your machine hands and do the line, or whatever color packing. So when you're color packing, it's very important to stretch. You do small circles or zigzag motion or whatever you want to. You do that and then wipe it, stretch it again, wipe it. So yeah, any more topics that need to be covered, please mention in the comments below, and I'll make some videos. Thank you.